tutorial, I'm going to help you guys out determine which Fire Stick or Fire TV generation you have. Starting with the left side, we have the Fire TV first and second gen. This is a square device. The only difference is the second gen has a micro SD slot. So depending which one you have, that's the generation. And the third generation has a HDMI cable sticking out and it's a square box, and that's the third generation. On the right side for the Fire Sticks, on the back, if you see the model number, it's gonna have a series of numbers and letters. If you have this, then this is the Fire TV stick first generation. If you have this one, then you may have the second gen. Now, there is another Fire Stick basic edition, and it looks just like the second generation. The only difference is if you have this remote and you have this build number, then you have the Fire Stick basic edition. And the newest one that came out, the Fire Stick 4K, this is the model number. So if you go on the back and see which one you have, then it will correspond to either the first, second, or the 4K Fire Stick generation. I'm gonna put on the description all the links if you need to replace a remote or if you need to buy a new Fire Stick, so that way you purchase the right one. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.